Probably already seen a few of these videos blowing up all over your For You page, and what most people don't seem to realize is how simple the editing process for these videos actually is. Not only are people using this niche to make money inside of the Creator Rewards program, but they're also using this niche as a fast way to grow your account to 5,000 followers to get inside TikTok Shop Affiliate. So make sure you watch this video the entire way through, because not only am I going to be showing you what the content is, why it's blowing up so much, but I'm also going to be showing you exactly how to edit these videos from start to finish from complete scratch. This is the account that we're going to be going over specifically because this is a very new account, has less than 30 videos on their page, and is already at about 5,000 followers in total. And I mean, like I already mentioned, you guys have seen this niche before. This is not a new niche. This has been around for like at least 8 months now. Yeah, it's still continuing to get views. 300K here, 250K here, 51, 60K, 400K, 100K, 600, 1.2, and 395. And if you guys have watched my channel, you know I personally ran one of these pages myself. Got like the 4th video to hit 3.6 million views in just a few days. Let me actually pull it up right here on my phone. Yeah, this was like the 3rd video on the account in total, 3.6 million views. As you can see, it's the skeleton niche right there. And then another one I posted right after that. I don't know if you can see it focusing correctly, but this one's over 2 million views, skeleton niche once again. So this niche works if you know how to do it correctly. But first off, let's just watch one of these videos so we can get an idea of how we're gonna actually do this.
A stranger offers you a deal. $200 billion hits your account instantly. But there's one rule. You must spend every single dollar in 7 days. No giving it away, no destroying it. Every dollar must buy something real. If even $1 is left, you lose everything you own. But if you succeed, you keep $100 million. Sounds easy until you try. A mansion? $100 million. A yacht? $500 million. A private island? A few billion. You're not even close, so you go bigger. Day 1, you buy every house for sale in Los Angeles. $40 billion gone before lunch. Day 2, you call Boeing. You order 30 commercial airplanes. No hesitation. $60 billion gone. Day 3, you buy an NFL team, then another, then the stadium. Day 5, $80 billion left. You start buying land, farms, deserts, mountains, even a volcano. Day 6, $2 billion left. You walk into every dealership, all of it, every car, gone. Day 7, $200 million left. You buy a cruise ship, then a jewelry store. You check your balance, $4 left, 40 seconds on the clock. You run, a hot dog stand across the street. You slam the money down. Just take it, then hands you the food. Your phone rings. Balance.
0.
You win, but tell me, what would you buy first?
So it's just a good script in general, like making people think about what they would do in this scenario if they got $200 billion in 7 days and they had to spend all the money. So I mean, the biggest factor when it comes to these videos blowing up is not only obviously it's going to be the visuals, but the second biggest thing is going to be the script. And I would honestly say the visuals and the script are hand in hand for what matters most, because both of them are extremely key essential. But I mean, just from this script alone, you guys can see all these comments are talking about what they would do. And so this script is a really easy way specifically to actually get a bunch of comments on your video. And comments, shares, and likes don't matter at all. Saves kind of help, but comments and shares are the biggest key things for engagement that'll actually help you boost your video to bigger audiences. So getting an engaging script to make people share this with their friends or comment in the video is very, very essential to actually get a viral video. Now, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to edit this exact video. Same visuals, same script, same all that. Very first thing I'm going to do is straight up just download this video. That way we can actually get the footage and we can transcribe it to get the exact script. All right, so I just got the script right here. I'm going to copy and paste it. There's so many different ways you can actually get the script for these videos. If you want to know exactly what I use and how I do it specifically, just join the free community down below in the description. And now I'm going to take this script and put it into 11 Labs, because this is where we're actually going to make our voiceover, because obviously the videos from this account are made with completely AI voiceovers. These are not humans making the voiceover. All of this is done completely with AI. So you can literally edit these videos without recording a single piece of content. So I personally just like using the Josh voice. So now we're going to generate that. Now I'm going to head into Google Gemini, and a lot of you guys are familiar with it, but I mainly use it for video analyzation, so it can track what the video looks like, how the animations are, even what the script is. And I gave it a prompt that says something like, analyze the file attached. The goal is just to get 18 image prompts and 18 video prompts for those images. With this script, entered the entire script, basically asking for a ChatGPT prompt to give me all the image prompts and the video prompts. If you guys want the exact prompt framework that I use, just join the free community and DM me there. Also, make sure that you guys actually connect your Discord when you join the free Discord. That way you can see all the wins. You can see the free course right here. We obviously have a free chat and a free video feedback section. But yeah, as you can see, now I got an entire ChatGPT prompt. So I'm gonna copy this, paste it into ChatGPT, and as you can see, we're starting to get our prompts. So now I'm gonna just start copy and pasting each of these image prompts that say Nano Banana Pro into Nano Banana Pro inside of Higgsfield. And then I'm gonna copy and paste each one of these video prompts with that specific image, paste it into Kling 2.6. That way we can actually get a bunch of different video clips, which are what we're gonna use in our video. Now, as you guys can see, these are the types of images that we are getting for this video. So now we're gonna turn these images into video clips. As you can see, we've got about 2 left generating. So while we're waiting for those to generate, since we have these clips already, let's go ahead and download our 11 Labs voiceover and bring it inside of CapCut. Now that we're inside of CapCut, the very first thing we need to do is get rid of all of these audio gaps. And I also have a riser sound effect and a ding sound effect. That way when the ding sound effect pops up, it gives the video a lot more pop, captures attention a lot better, and the riser sound effect is basically just like a momentum builder or a suspense builder. Yeah, right now I'm literally just gonna start overlaying all these different audio clips. It's the same exact audio clip, I'm just overlaying it on top of each other. That way it actually flows fast paced and there's no gaps inside of the audio. When there's a ton of gaps, it literally just slows down your entire video and it makes it sound so much worse. People actually need to be enjoying what they're watching. That way they watch a good amount of your video. That way they give your video a good watch time. And when you get a good watch time and retention from people actually enjoying your content, TikTok will see that and they'll push it out because it shows TikTok that it's actually good content and people are watching it. That's also why engagement is important, because engagement shows TikTok that people are actually talking about the topic and that it deserves to get out there more. But when you're already taking inspiration from viral videos, the scripts are already proven to do that because it's already gone viral. All right, so I've got my riser, I've got my bell, and I've also got this little tapping sound effect that I'm just gonna play every time one of the clips stops. A lot of the times these clips that you're gonna be generating are gonna be super slow paced, so you're gonna wanna speed them up like at least 2 to 3x. And then as you can see, this one has black on the top and the bottom, so we're just gonna zoom it in to be all the way fit inside of the screen like this. And now I wanna use this clip again, even though we already used it at the front, and sometimes that can throw viewers off, like, oh, he's just gonna repeat the same clip, so I'm gonna keep scrolling. But the best way to make it look different is just to either reverse it or mirror it. So I'm gonna mirror it, and we might as well reverse it also. And then obviously we're gonna speed it up again. All right, so now that I got every single clip that I want inside of here at the perfect time, I'm just gonna make sure that every single clip is fully zoomed in, because sometimes like this, there are tops and bottoms of black and we want it to be fully cropped in. So like this, boom, boom. Yeah, now that that's done, let's go ahead and every time it says day 2 or day 3, I'm just gonna add one of these bell sound effects.
But there's no giving, no every dollar lose. But if you succeed, sound a mansion, one a yacht, 500 until you try a yacht, a private island, close. So you even close. So you 40 billion. Day 2. Day 3. Day 3 billion. Even a volcano, 2 billion. Day 6. Day 6, $2 billion left. You walk into every 200 million, then a drawer. You check your 40 food, your balance.
And now, like I already mentioned, every single time one of these clips change that isn't with the bell sound effect, I'm just going to add this little tick. And so now before we add the auto captions and the background music, this is exactly what our video should look like.
A stranger offers you a deal. $200 billion hits your account instantly. But there's one rule. You must spend every single dollar in 7 days. No giving it away. No destroying it. Every dollar must buy something real. If even $1 is left, you lose everything you own. But if you succeed, you keep $100 million. Sounds easy until you try. A mansion? $100 million. A yacht? $500 million. A private island? A few billion. You're not even close, so you go bigger. Day 1, you buy every house for sale in Los Angeles. $40 billion gone before lunch. Day 2, you call Boeing. You order 30 commercial airplanes, no hesitation, $60 billion gone. Day 3, you buy an NFL team, then another, then the stadium. Day 5, $80 billion left. You start buying land, farms, deserts, mountains, even a volcano. Day 6, $2 billion left. You walk into every dealership, all of it, every car, gone. Day 7, $200 million left. You buy a cruise ship, then a jewelry store. You check your balance, $4 left. 40 seconds on the clock. You run a hot dog stand across the street. You slam the money down, just take it, then hands you the food. Your phone rings. Balance, 0. You win. But tell me, what would you buy first?
So now when you're on a template like this with the overlaid voiceover, do not add your auto captions on this template. If we add our auto captions on this template, you'll see all the captions are going to come out completely wrong. Well, they're not going to come out inaccurate, but they're not going to fully fill out the entire thing. Like it's going to miss a bunch of words that you said because the voice is overlaid. As you can see, so many gaps where there should be captions, but there's not. So we're just going to go ahead and delete that. What you want to do is actually just export this how it is. By the way, you want to export on 1080p, 30 FPS whenever you're posting on Instagram or TikTok. That is just naturally what they default to and compress the video down to. So there's no point in making it 4K if it's going to get compressed anyways. But now, as you can see, when I generate the auto captions on a completely fresh template with the clip all in one, it comes out completely fine. Now we just got to get the background music. And now this is what the final video should look like.
A stranger offers you a deal. $200 billion hits your account instantly. But there's one rule. You must spend every single dollar in 7 days. No giving it away. No destroying it. Every dollar must buy something real. If even $1 is left, you lose everything you own. But if you succeed, you keep $100 million. Sounds easy until you try. A mansion? $100 million. A yacht? $500 million. A private island? A few billion. You're not even close. So you go bigger. Day 1, you buy every house for sale in Los Angeles. $40 billion gone before lunch. Day 2, you call Boeing. You order 30 commercial airplanes, no hesitation, $60 billion gone. Day 3, you buy an NFL team, then another, then the stadium. Day 5, $80 billion left. You start buying land, farms, deserts, mountains, even a volcano. Day 6, $2 billion left. You walk into every dealership, all of it, every car, gone. Day 7, $200 million left. You buy a cruise ship, then a jewelry store. You check your balance, $4 left. 40 seconds on the clock. You run a hot dog stand across the street. You slam the money down, just take it, then hands you the food. Your phone rings. Balance, 0. You win. But tell me, what would you buy first?
Not only this skeleton niche, but we have a ton of other niches that our premium guys are crushing with inside of the premium group right now. And I know it can be hard to kind of navigate everything that you're doing at once, especially when it comes to warming up your account, picking a niche, actually posting the right amount of times in that niche, all these other sorts of things that can kind of take your focus off track. If you want help navigating all of it and work directly with me, I'll have the link to Creator Labs Premium down below in the description. Where, fun fact, Tito just made his first sale in 30 days and he just got a refund for his entire first month. The reason we have our 30-day challenge going on right now is specifically because we want you to take action. If you follow our instructions and follow the process, you will make money in your first 30 days, and Tito is literal proof of that. Not only Tito, but Ryan did the exact same thing. Where's Ryan at? Ryan right here made his first little bit of money with digital products. Ryan right here made his first little bit of money with digital products in his first 30 days. Now he's consistently hitting $500 payouts just from digital products. Preston's hitting multiple $1,000 payouts. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.